Hello, so I wanted to give you a quick update on how my Merch by Amazon business is going. So let's have a look at the figures.
As you can see, I started Merch by Amazon March 2017. It's very difficult to get out of those lower tiers. I never bought any of my products in America, so I had to rely on organic sales, and so it took me a long time to get out of that lower 100 tier onto the 500 tier. But after that, I was quite encouraged because the sales seemed to be on the way up. And October was a little blip there, but there was my first Christmas and I sold over 200 shirts. The profit from that would have been around $400 or $500, so still not a lot of money. But I was still quietly confident the next year, 2018, where I was uploading a lot of shirts, going through tiers. I'm now on tier 4,000. And we had a very good July. That was because that was when PopSockets came out. And PopSockets are quite easy to design. And I did loads of them and loads of them sold. But after that, things declined somewhat. There seemed to be a lot of competition coming in. Amazon maybe wasn't directing so much traffic towards merch and the PopSockets, the t-shirts. Sales declined. However, the Christmas last year, 2018, was excellent. I think I made $1,000 profit in the month of December. However, because of the lack of sales towards the end of 2018, I was a little bit less optimistic about the future of merch. I thought there was a lot of competition there and I had already done a lot of work that year. So I decided to take 2019 off pretty much. I did very little on merch during this year, 2019. And as you can see, the sales figures shows you the same story. I got about 50 to 60 sales every month, and that's about $200 profit. Then I thought, well, that's quite nice. It's a bit of passive income. So anyway, there's my story on merch.
So as you can see, I have pretty much taken this year off Merch by Amazon. But that is about to change because a lot has happened this year. Now you can upload one design and immediately it will become, I think, 19 or 20 products on Amazon.com and in UK and Germany. Whereas last year, I think you only had 5 products at one stage and you had to upload them individually. I can't quite remember. But I think with a lot of people wanting to join merch that can't join merch, I think I'm in an extremely lucky position to be on the 4,000th tier. And it makes sense for me to fill up all my slots for it just in time for Q4 and Christmas, and then make a big push to go up to a higher tier. I need to sell another 1,000 products in order to make it to tier 6,000, which I believe is the next tier above mine at 4,000 at the moment. Another thing that's happening is I've discovered a few more niches that seem to do well in apparel. So I'm looking forward to Q4. I'm cautiously optimistic with merch, having pretty much given up on it throughout the whole year. So these are exciting times ahead. I hope Amazon add even more products to that multi-uploader because it really is great what you can do now on merch. If you're interested, I do have a couple of courses. There are a couple of links below where you can get 50% off the price of the courses. But if not, please subscribe to the channel and I'll give you an update on how Q4 went when we look forward to what we're going to do in 2020. My name's Rob Coven. I'll see you in another video.